Hey there! Today we're diving into a problem encountered in a C++ code excerpt from the book C++ Templates, the Complete Guide 2nd edition. The problem revolves around a potential issue with calling the max function, particularly when passing 3 arguments. A warning from the compiler hints at a dangling reference concern, but let's unravel the mystery together. In the solution provided, the focus is on a specific call within the code snippet. Auto m2 equals max, s1, s2, s3. Here, the deduction of a type t as char const asterisk leads to the necessity for max to return char const asterisk and creating a potential situation where a reference to a temporary object is constructed. This scenario triggers the compiler warning due to the risk of encountering a dangling reference. Understanding this intricacy sheds light on why the warning is raised and emphasizes the importance of handling references in C++ code diligently. To wrap up, we've explored a scenario where the use of the max function with 3 arguments in C++ can lead to a dangling reference issue. By dissecting the specific call causing the problem, we've gained insight into the underlying mechanics at play. Remember, always stay vigilant when working with references in your code to avoid unexpected surprises. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below.